Have you been trying to figure out how to make money online? Well, I'm gonna tell you how I make money online, and you can do the same thing. I started my business probably March of 2022, and I had no idea what I was doing, but I was determined to figure it out. I started out as an affiliate marketer, and I actually think that's a great place to start. However, what I've learned along the way is when you're an affiliate for a product, you're only earning part of that commission. So I found a way that you can actually earn 100% of the profit, and it's by owning your own product. I didn't have time to create my high ticket product because it takes a lot of work. You have to have a lot of information and a lot of people to help you build a course. And with my job, there was no way I was going to be able to do that. I found a product that had the master resale rights connected to it, and everything was done for me. And because it had the master resale right connected to it, that meant I could buy it and I could resell it because it gave me the rights to resell the digital course. And I love the digital course because it gives you step by step. It's a walkthrough on how to build a business online around whatever you're passionate about. Now, if you're a beginner and you're looking for a product to promote, I really believe that is a great place to start because you're going to learn it, you're going to apply what you learn, master the skill by doing it over and over. And then once you turn around and you start teaching that means you know what you're doing. At that point, you can start adding other products, other digital products to your business. And remember, when I say digital, that means no shipping, no inventory, no customer service or anything like that. Now, along my journey, I've learned to add other streams of income to my business. One of those streams of income is because if someone didn't want to jump on board to the digital course, they can actually grab my digital marketing starter kit that's in my Stan Store, and it will walk you through the process of how to pick a product, how to market the product, and how to sell a product around anything you're passionate about, and it's only $37. I also added an additional stream of income, which is email marketing, guys. It is easy peasy. That's all you have to do is show up 10 minutes every single day. You're gonna get pre-written emails and you're gonna send those emails out every single day. It takes me about 10 minutes. And honestly, guys, there's a free trial in my Stan Store that you can grab and you can see for yourself that it does work. There's also a referral program that you can use. And if you refer somebody to the email marketing, you're gonna get $97 each time someone upgrades. Last but not least, I am an affiliate for all the software I am using. So if you are interested in learning how to make money online, follow me and save this video.